Now I'm going to show you guys how to use the crop tool, which as you can see is the fifth tool from the top of the toolbar, shortcut C. Go ahead and press C to select that. You'll notice the second that you press your crop tool, you'll get a bounding box around your canvas, and you can change it to a fixed preset ratio, but I like just working with ratio because that gives us the highest degree of control. So notice you can click and drag from the top, you can click and drag the corners to resize. Another good thing to know is that you can click inside of the crop to move the image so that you have a different region that gets cropped. And if you click outside of the bounding box, you can rotate the part of the image that'll be cropped. Once you have your area, you can just hit check up here and Photoshop will crop it. I'm going to go ahead, hit Control Z to undo. The next tool we have in our crop group is the perspective crop. And basically what this does is it allows you to take a surface or a plane or something that is in perspective and basically crop it so that you are facing it head on. And you'll see what I mean once I actually do it. So in order to use the perspective crop, what you'll do is click at one corner of your crop, click at the second corner, try to make sure that your perspective line follows the lines of the actual perspective. So I'll click down here for the third corner and then fourth corner, right around here. And now when I hit check, oh, that was a terrible one. Let's undo that. Let's do something so you guys can see it a little better. So let's try again. Let's just perspective crop this little set of 4 windows. I'll go here, 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 and here. And now when I hit check, you can see it's as if we are facing these windows head on. Pretty cool tool, not something that I personally use a lot, but it definitely is very powerful. Go ahead and zoom out. Next up in our crop group, we have the slice tool. And what this does is by clicking and dragging, it lets you subdivide your image into several smaller images. So now you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different images that we created with the slice. If we do it again, we can create more. And basically what this does is it lets you save individual sections as their own images when it comes time to export. And this can be really useful with stuff like web design. The last tool is pretty self-explanatory. It is the slice select tool. So this just lets you choose different sections that you sliced. And that is it for our crop tool group.